Samsung is cooking something and we have got some news regarding this. What's up guys, I am back again with some exciting news regarding the two of new upcoming flagships, the foldable flagships from Samsung. As we all know, Samsung Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 are about to get official in a couple of weeks, as we already know the Unpacked event date, which is happening on 11th of August. And it's just a couple of weeks far from now. Two of most reliable tipsters on Twitter have shared some news for these phones. Blass from IPX8 recently tweeted a photo with some information where we can clearly see a splash of water on these foldable beauties. Besides that, Max Weinberg has also tweeted something in a reply to another tweet of someone that Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 both will have IPX8 rating, and it seems like Max is pretty sure about this thing. So this is something really great that we are finally getting IPX8 ratings on these devices. Other than that, the rest of specs which was shared by Blass are these. As you can see here, Blass has mentioned the camera and screen specs of both of the phones. We will see 6.7 inches internal and 1.9 inches rear display on Z Flip 3, while there will be two of 12 megapixel sensors on rear side and a 10 megapixel sensor on front side, and design is pretty much same as of Z Fold 2. While on the other hand, the Z Fold 3 is expected to have 7.6 inches tablet sized internal display while 6.2 inches external display. There will be a triple camera setup at rear side as always, as we have seen in Z Fold 2 also, and we will see 3 of 12 megapixel sensors there, a 4 megapixel selfie shooter and a 10 megapixel cover selfie sensor. Besides all of these specs, Blass also clearly mentioned the availability of S Pen, which will be available for Fold 3. We can see in these renders from 91 mobiles that S Pen has been positioned in really sleek way just behind the case, and it looks like there will be no physical way of inserting this S Pen into the foldable hinges like in Z Fold 3, as we have been seeing this thing in Note series. But yeah, the phone looks really cool in these renders. Can also be seen here, it is pretty much same from front side but has a little different look from rear side because of the display. That ends up here. Let's wait for the official Unpacked event happening on 11th of August. Till that, stay tuned by subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.